Hi, assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome back to Gala video update. Weak performance, okay, no strong buyers, nothing going on in here. It's been pretty much of a consolidation at the moment in the smaller time frame, like the 1 hour. I have a little bit of consolidation here, but you can see that the plan still remains the same and the conversation still remains the same. I'm very open to the idea that you might even break above here. I'm really open to that, but I do see that maybe the market right now is just way too safe for me to trade. Okay, now what does that even mean? Why am I saying the market is too safe for me to trade? That's actually, in other words, me telling you that it might be dangerous to trade. And I'm not even talking about Gala at the moment. I'm talking about what Bitcoin is doing, because Bitcoin feels so safe that for a trader it's really scary. Because when it comes down to psychology, you want to trade when it's uncomfortable, when people are in doubt, when people are scared and they're fearful and this and that. Your best entries will be when it's uncomfortable in the market. But when it feels so comfortable and safe and it's just like, oh, I can now buy anytime because it feels so good, everything is looking amazing, you got to actually put some brakes out there. Okay, so because that's just how the market psychology is. That's what I've been teaching people for so long now. It's been 1 year I've made the course, and I've been talking about the market psychology in great details for hours and hours. Maybe for 4 or 5 hours I've been talking in depth about the market psychology, another 5 hours for the trading psychology, and then we talk about the chart patterns. If you want to buy that course, let me know, message me on Twitter, and I'm going to give you a discount as well to get into it. If you're interested, message me there. I need only serious people. So the thing is, you got this head and shoulders, right? You got a movement down here. The market sentiments are kind of like, if you go to the fear and greed kind of thing, I'm pretty sure we're on the greed side right now. People are greedy. People are saying, oh, we missed a lot of pumps, we need to get into the market, right? Now, just because I'm saying this doesn't mean it's going to affect on Gala. Every coin is different. Gala is going to be different. Bitcoin is going to be different. But majority of the coins are going to be following Bitcoin. And as far as I'm concerned, Gala does follow Bitcoin most of the times. So Bitcoin right now is trading at nearly $28,500. But there are some untouched places like 24,000. The Bitcoin hasn't really touch down to, and I think it should be touching down there sooner or later. And then we have 20,000 CME gap as well for Bitcoin, and I'm not really sure if it's going to be filled, but mostly CME gaps do get filled. So I'm just warning you before time that, and expect anything. But I have two places that I'm going to trade for Gala, keeping the conversation short, and that is, number one, if it does come down here, maybe I might think of a double bottom right there, because you got a little bit of support going on. The second thing is, the best entry that I still plan on getting for Gala is when it comes down here. Okay, again, it is psychology. It is all psychology. You see, trading is not a place where you come in and you celebrate and you burst balloons and you throw in a party with people and feel good with each other. That's not how the market works. We're psychopaths. It's just like psychopaths. That's just like psycho. We break other people's car windows, so that we can have the best cars in the world. And I'm talking about breaking and smashing other people's houses so that you can have the best house out there. And that means that the market maker is going to try to maybe do something like this down the road. Maybe try to do, okay, that's the word. It's trading, it's probabilities. So that's the first scenario. The second scenario is, again, break the houses for the people who are trying to short the market. Boom, and then maybe I'm going to be looking for something like this. Okay, so it's either this or it's either this, and my best scenario is actually when it's bloody out there and fearful. My personal opinion. Anyone who is smart is going to agree with this one. So I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.